welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Judging by the title, you guys already know what this video today is going to be about. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on a 3-strand twist out, and also kind of like a mini review just to show you guys how amazing the Talia Wajid products are. I pronounced it right this time. But yeah, so I'm starting off this video by first parting my hair into 4 sections because as most naturals know, that's like the easiest way to deal with your hair, or the easiest way to I don't know, it's just the easiest way. So yeah, I'm gonna start off first by parting my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to take the section that I'm starting with and I'm going to divide that into an even smaller section, and then I'm going to begin my 3-strand twist. So now that my hair is parted into a small section, which let me remind you guys, your sections do not have to be perfect, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, the Green Apple and Aloe. And this is actually a spray leave-in, and I usually, as I mentioned in one of my last videos, I don't usually like spray leave-ins, but like I said, this one is the bomb. So I'm going in with this, and as you guys are gonna see momentarily, I already have definition, and the only thing I put in is the leave-in. I do go in with my dimming brush afterwards just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. So now what I'm going to go in with is the curl definer, which has a very, very, very thick consistency. So yeah, it's just a really, really thick product, but I love it just because I know with it being thick, my hair will be super duper moisturized. So I did go in with my spray bottle after using this just to loosen up the thickness of the consistency and make sure that the product was distributed evenly throughout my hair. So first I'm going to start by splitting my hair up into 3 even small sections, and I'm starting it off, you split it up just like you starting a braid out or something, and then you're going to take the piece of hair that's all the way to the right and wrap it around the piece that's all the way to the left. So you're just rotating them kind of on top of each other in order, if that makes sense. So I'm going to place about 3 visuals of this throughout the video, just in case you guys need different angles, or you know, just different sides to look at. This is what my 3-strand twist came out looking like. Next, I'm just going to do the last section. I went ahead and did the rest of my head. So this section I just decided to show you guys because this is also a great view so that you guys can kind of grasp the concept a little bit better. But yeah, so I'm just brushing through the leave-in conditioner and brushing through the curl definer, making sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. And then I'm going to split up this section into 3 pieces and do the same exact thing that I did to the first piece. Alright, you guys, so this is how my hair is looking. It looks super shiny, looks super moisturized. These kind of remind me of finger coils in a way, but yeah, we'll see how they look when they're fully dry in the morning. So of course it's morning and I have major shrinkage, but that's honestly expected. I'm not surprised. But after unraveling my twists, this is how it looks. The pattern of my curls does definitely resemble finger coils, but yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.